You're uploading consistently and going nowhere. Here's what actually matters. Every successful creator tells you the same thing. Just stay consistent. Upload every week. Never quit. Trust the process. It sounds simple. So you follow the advice. One video becomes 10, 10 becomes 50, 50 becomes 100. Months turn into years, but the views barely change. The subscribers trickle in, your analytics look almost identical, and eventually you begin asking yourself one painful question. If consistency is the answer, why am I still going nowhere? It's a question thousands of creators never ask out loud, because admitting you're stuck feels like admitting you failed. But what if the problem isn't your consistency? What if you're simply being consistent at the wrong things? Today we're talking about what actually matters on YouTube, because uploading is only one piece of the puzzle. And for many creators, it's not even the most important one. Imagine two creators. The first uploads every single day. The second uploads once every 2 weeks. After 1 year, which creator wins? Most people immediately answer the daily uploader. But YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards results. If creator A uploads 300 average videos, while creator B uploads 24 unforgettable ones, the outcome might surprise you. One exceptional video can outperform hundreds of average uploads. That's the first lesson. Consistency multiplies quality. It doesn't replace it. Now let's talk about improvement. Imagine a basketball player practicing the wrong shooting technique every single day. Will they become better, or will they simply become better at making the same mistake? The same thing happens on YouTube. Many creators upload repeatedly without changing anything. The same thumbnail style, the same slow introduction, the same weak titles, the same pacing, the same editing, the same storytelling. Then they wonder why the results never change. Uploading the same strategy again and again doesn't create growth. It creates repetition. The fastest growing creators don't simply publish videos. They study them. They ask difficult questions. Why did viewers leave after 30 seconds? Why did one thumbnail outperform another? Why did this title get clicked? Why did this topic fail? Every upload becomes feedback, not just content. That's how improvement happens. Now here's something even more important. Most creators spend far more time making videos than choosing ideas. Think about that. You might spend 20 hours editing, but only 5 minutes deciding what the video should actually be about. That's backwards, because people don't click editing. They click ideas. A brilliant thumbnail cannot rescue an idea nobody cares about. Likewise, an average edit can still go viral if the idea is irresistible. That's why experienced creators often spend days brainstorming before recording a single frame. They know the topic determines whether people stop scrolling. Execution determines whether they stay. Both matter. But execution can't save the wrong idea. Let's talk about retention. Many creators obsess over views, but views only tell part of the story. Imagine 2 videos with 100,000 views. The first keeps viewers watching for 8 minutes. The second loses them after 45 seconds. Those numbers tell completely different stories. The algorithm notices, viewers notice, and eventually, your channel reflects those patterns. Keeping attention has become one of the most valuable skills on YouTube, not by adding random explosions or unnecessary sound effects or constant zoom-ins, but by giving viewers a reason to care about what happens next. Every great story creates unanswered questions. Every answer leads to another question. That's why people stay. Curiosity pulls them forward. Now let's discuss something many creators ignore: trust. The first time someone watches your video, they're judging that single upload. The 5th time, they're judging your channel. Eventually something changes. People stop clicking because of the title. They click because they trust you. That trust isn't built overnight. It's earned one good video at a time. Every promise you keep strengthens it. Every disappointment weakens it. Trust becomes momentum. Momentum becomes growth. And here's another uncomfortable truth. Subscribers don't guarantee views anymore. Look at almost any large channel. You'll find videos with millions of subscribers receiving only a fraction of those views. Why? Because subscribers don't watch videos. People do, and people only return when they expect value. The relationship matters more than the number. Now let's address the biggest misconception about consistency. People often believe consistency means uploading on the same day every week. That's helpful. There's another kind of consistency that's even more important. Consistently solving problems, consistently entertaining, consistently teaching, consistently surprising, consistently delivering exactly what viewers hope to receive. That's the consistency audiences remember. Not whether your upload arrived at exactly 3 o'clock every Tuesday. The creators who last for years understand this difference. They're not obsessed with schedules, they're obsessed with expectations. Every upload answers one question. Will people feel this was worth their time? If the answer is yes, they come back again and again and again. Now let's return to where we started. You're uploading consistently. You're working hard. You're doing everything people told you to do, yet the growth isn't happening. Maybe the answer isn't uploading more. Maybe it's slowing down long enough to improving your ideas, your storytelling, your thumbnails, your titles, your openings, your pacing, your understanding of your audience. Because one improved video can teach you more than 20 rushed uploads ever will. Consistency is important, but consistency without learning eventually becomes routine. Routine without improvement becomes stagnation. Improvement combined with consistency, that's where real growth begins. So here's the question I want to leave you with. If you had to choose only one, would you rather upload 50 average videos this year or 10 videos so good people couldn't stop sharing them? Which strategy do you honestly think wins on YouTube in 2026? I'm interested to hear your answer. Let's discuss it in the comments.